Welcome to Embedded World 2024. I'm John Weber, and I'm going to show you a little bit about what we're showing here at the show this year. So here we have Rovy4VM EVK. This features a Rovy4VM, which is based on the TI TDA4VM processor, built for high-end video processing and AI applications. This will do 8 TOPS video acceleration or AI model acceleration, and we can put up to 8 cameras into the processor. Really unparalleled capabilities as far as I/O, as well as safety capabilities. We have this available now for early access customers. Just reach out to us and we'll get in contact with you regarding how to procure a kit. Also wanted to show you a little bit about what's coming a little bit later on this year. This is Rovy4VH. We are currently in development of this product, but it is roughly 4 times the processing and AI horsepower as well as memory as the Rovy4VM. So we have this coming out later on this year. You could design with Rovy4VM today, and then we'll have 4 times the horsepower coming out later on this year with Rovy4VH. This is Rovy4VM in action. This is something that we call Rovybot. This is our robotics demonstration platform for Rovy4VM and Rovy4VH down the road. Here at Embedded World, it's just rolling around and giving people balls out of the bucket at the moment. But if you come in here a little bit, I'll show you about what it's actually doing. So we really have 3 different camera streams being processed simultaneously with Rovy4VM right now. Rovy4VM, the development kit, is up underneath the payload here. This is our payload bucket. Rovy4VM is sandwiched a little bit up underneath here. And it is connected to 4 cameras right now, 3 of which are being used. 1 camera is being used to detect people in the field of view. It's running an object detection AI model, very rapidly determining what is in the field of view that is a person. And then it goes to the object in the field of view with the highest confidence level of a certain size, and then just turns around and gives them a ball. The other 2 cameras are being used for real-time video processing and recognition of other things. This one right here in the back, I'll turn it around, show you. This one is pointed down into our payload bucket, and it will determine what's inside of our payload bucket, specifically what the color of the ball is that's in the region of interest. The other camera in the back is determining the location of the different boxes in the bag. We have an orange box and a green box and a blue box. That camera is there to spot which box it is, and we would go over and we would dump the balls off into the corresponding box color that corresponds with the ball. But yeah, so this is our demonstration platform. We're definitely looking forward to doing a lot more education around robotics and around industrial control, specifically around Rovy. Looking forward to very much to putting videos online about how to get your robotics applications implemented. And also a little bit more about the products that we feature here. These are TechNexion cameras. We have all of our camera offerings with this interface in the back, which is, we call this Vision Link, but it's based on TI's FPD Link high-speed serialization technology. This cable here can be up to 15 meters away from the host processor. So if you're, say, processing with our Rovy platform or an NVIDIA platform, or even an IMX platform or other processing platform, you could potentially put these 15 meters away from that processor. So we have 4 of those here, but we can put up to 8 of those into Rovy4VM and up to 12 in Rovy4VH when it's available later on this year. This is another product that we have. This is called Vision Link Panel. Vision Link Panel is different from normal panels. If you were to connect a normal panel, a normal monitor, to a processor, especially if you're locating it some distance away from the processor, you need to use HDMI or DisplayPort. And then if you want to have a touch interface, then you need to use USB, and also need to provide power to the display. In our case, we do it all over this single cable, which is based on the FPD Link technology from TI. We take high-speed serial video data, digital video data, transmit that over the wire from our host processor down here, and then that is decoded and displayed. And then we also have a touch interface, a bidirectional data interface, from the panel back to the host processor that we're using for touch. And we also put power over the same cable. So instead of having HDMI, USB power that you have to use for your display, you just use one cable for our Vision Link panel. And we'll have that in a range of sizes from 7-inch or 5 inches, I should say, all the way up to 21 inches and maybe even more in the future at a range of different resolutions from 800 by 480 or even smaller, all the way up to full HD or even bigger, 2K displays. So anyway, that is our Rovybot demonstration platform for Rovy4VM and in the future Rovy4VH. For more information on Rovybot and for more information on the products that we have on Rovybot, please visit our website. It's www.technexion.com. And also follow us on YouTube and on LinkedIn as we make more announcements around this product.